What's a reasonable amount for a foreigner to spend on his Filipina girlfriend for special occasions? What is considered too little or too much to spend on an engagement ring? Let's say your foreign boyfriend has to go back to his country for work. Do you expect an allowance? Excuse me, may pwede ka ma-interview? Ay, hindi pa madali. Ay, pwede ka ma-interview ba? Excuse me ba? Sorry. Di pwede ka ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. YouTube. Di kita sa gilid. Ano lang, four questions lang. Okay lang? Kailan edad mo ba? 18. Okay lang naman kita para mag-interview ta. Ano ba? What is your name and age?
I'm Vea po, 18 years old.
You're very cute, bae. You have just this tiny face. How are you tonight?
I'm stressed because of ads.
I'm sorry to hear about that. What's a reasonable amount for a foreigner to spend on his Filipina girlfriend for special occasions?
For me, there's no reasonable amount naman because it depends on the foreigner if he want to spend more money for her girlfriend.
Okay, no amount, no reasonable amount.
What amount? Yes.
Okay. What is considered too little or too much to spend on an engagement ring?
For me, there's no such things as too little and too because it's more on the effort and the value of the ring po.
So, for example, your foreigner boyfriend bought an engagement ring that only costs for like 100 pesos. It's okay.
It's okay.
That's not too little for you.
No, if he really loves me and shows care for me, no, it's okay.
Oh, okay. How about this one? Let's say your foreign boyfriend has to go back to his country for work. Do you expect an allowance?
No. It still depends on your boyfriend if he wants to give you an allowance.
But you're not going to ask.
No.
Do you believe the saying money can't buy happiness?
Sometimes yes, especially when you really need the money, like for especially I'm a college students. So sometimes it's really stressful kapag
If there's no money.
especially kapag may mga bayaran tawag dun.
Okay, especially if you have bills, you have things to pay. Okay, so you believe yes, sometimes no.
Yes.
Okay, so it really, I guess, depends on the situation, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. How old are you going to be? 19?
18.
18, okay. In college?
First year.
May we know what's your course?
BSTM 80 po in CBSUA, Pili.
Oh, there's one husband. Pwede ka ma-interview? Naka-vlog kami. Okay lang, kahit 2 minuto. Para sa YouTube. Ano lang, 4 questions lang. Okay lang. What is your name and age?
Hi, I'm Mix. I'm 26 years old.
How are you tonight?
I'm good. I just ate actually.
Oh, and you have so many
Sorry for about this one.
No, it's okay, it's okay. You just ate, right?
Yes, I just ate for dinner.
Okay. Well, anyway, here's the first question. What's a reasonable amount for a foreigner to spend on his Filipino girlfriend for special occasions?
Personally, I'm not a materialistic person, so there's no specific range as long as my boyfriend or that guy was thoughtful about what to give me or anything like personalized. It's okay with me. So actually, no amount would justify the love of that guy.
Do you think most of the Filipinos are like that? Like it doesn't matter how much?
Not really. It depends on the person. Not just if you're a Filipino or something. It differs on the perspective or preference of the person.
What is considered too little or too much to spend on an engagement ring?
Ah, for me, no specific item or like value actually. Even though if it's like a hand me down like heirloom ring from the grandmother or anyone, it's fine with me. Yeah. Sorry, there's no like value specifically for me personally. Yes.
Wow. Right? Okay. Next, let's say your foreign boyfriend has to go back to his country for work. Do you expect an allowance?
Not really, cause actually as I said there's no specific amount. As long as the guy is doing well, he can finance himself. Of course having a relationship with him would mean that if he's doing well by himself, he can somehow support me if we're together already or like married. Yes.
Do you believe the saying, money can't buy happiness?
Mm, not really. For me, like if for myself, not really, cause for example, food makes me happy, so I need money to buy food. That's it. But like from a special someone, he doesn't necessarily need to spend something for me just to make me happy. Yes.
You are 26 years old, right?
Yes,
Are you still studying or you're done, like working?
I'm working.
Oh, may we know what's your job if it's okay?
I'm working as a network engineer. Here in the Philippines.
That's very interesting, right? Never heard that kind of job. What do you do exactly?
It's more on like in the IT industry. So for example, the bigger version of your Wi-Fi at home, we handle those kind of big stuff that maintains the network or internet.
What is your name and age?
My name is Catherine and I'm 19 years old.
How are you tonight, Catherine?
Doing well. I eat too much, so my tummy's kind of heavy.
Okay. You're so pretty, Catherine.
Po.
You're welcome. You have this. Oh, thank you. She has a very tantalizing eyes. Very pretty. Okay. So for the first question, okay, what's a reasonable amount for a foreigner to spend on his Filipino girlfriend for special occasions?
I think for special occasions, the reasonable amount is already 1,000. I think that's already all right when it comes to food, gifts that are functionable for her, like makeup and even gadgets. You can already find 1,000 pesos at that range of a gift. So I think that's fine. And recommendable.
Okay. What is considered too little or too much to spend on an engagement ring?
I don't know how much it cost actually an engagement ring, but I think too little would be of course around 500 or less. That I think it's already too small for an engagement ring. Come on, it's a commitment. Do better. I think what's too much is considering around 1 million. I think that's very heavy. For
I'm gonna ask you, how about you? If your partner is going to buy an engagement ring, well, how much do you think is like good for you or acceptable?
acceptable amount, around 50,000. That's fine already. I don't know how much it costs usually. So I'm just throwing up some budget out there. But I think 50,000 at most millions. Of course, why not?
Okay. She have no idea, guys, how much engagement ring cost. But do you have rings?
Yes, but
Yeah.
it's just cheap.
Yeah. How much is that? I'm curious.
Around 100 pesos. I bought it only here at the market.
Okay. How about this one? Let's say your foreign boyfriend has to go back to his country for work. Do you expect an allowance?
Yes, I mean, if he's already your husband,
No, no. The question is foreign boyfriend only.
I personally, for me, if you're still at that stage, there's no commitment to be given that or assurance that I'll give you some allowance. But for me, if it's all right for the both parties, it's a relationship. There should be mutual respect. There should be mutual understanding. So if it's all right with the girlfriend and boyfriend, then why not?
How about you personally? would you ask for allowance? Remember, he's your boyfriend, foreign boyfriend, not a husband, foreign boyfriend.
Personally, no. Why would I ask for an allowance? I already have one for myself.
Okay. So foreign boyfriend, no for you. Okay. Okay. Now, do you believe the saying money can't buy happiness?
No. I think money can buy happiness. Come on. I think 99% of my problem will be solved if I have money. Like, talk about education, financial stuff. That can be answered through money. So I think money can buy me happiness, but won't guarantee my success in life, if ever.
Okay. Are you in college, Ben?
Yes.
May we know what are you studying?
I'm AB communication student in Ateneo.
Wow, AB communication. Interesting. Are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
No boyfriend since birth.
19 years old.
Yes.
May we know what's the reason why? Are you picky or what?
Part of that, yes. But at the same time, I don't think I'm at the current situation where I'm ready to handle that kind of stuff. I'm too busy to have a boyfriend, I fear. Yes.
Too busy. When do you think are you ready to have a boyfriend?
When the right timing comes, I don't know yet if it's around after I graduate. I don't know. But if the time is right.
Ay, ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, pwede ka ma-interview? May we know what's your name and age?
My name is Hussein. I'm 25 years old age.
What's a reasonable amount for a foreigner to spend on his Filipina girlfriend for special occasions?
For my opinion is, maybe, I'm not, ano kasi English lang, no? Okay na sa, 1,000 pesos.
1,000 Philippine pesos.
Oo.
Okay. What is considered too little or too much to spend on an engagement ring?
Maybe, 2K?
2,000. What is that? Too little or the too much?
Too much.
Too much.
Yeah.
Okay. Too much. 2,000 Philippine pesos. How about too little? How much do you think?
Um, Maybe, 1K?
1,000.
Yeah.
That's like too close to each other. 1,000 is too little, like
Yeah.
too cheap. Okay. 2,000 too expensive, like too much.
Yes.
Okay, well that's her opinion, right? Okay, this one. Let's say your foreign boyfriend has to go back to his country for work. Do you expect an allowance?
No. No.
Okay.
Yes. No. Because the she arrived here. sh- I like to see her and
Him, to see him.
yeah. To see him and bonding together lang like
Okay, but my question was, what if he leave the Philippines? He's going back to his country. Do you expect an allowance from him? Like monthly allowance?
maybe not.
Not. Okay. Okay. For the last question, do you believe the saying money can't buy happiness?
No.
No. May we know why?
Because wala. No.
No explanation just now.
No.
Okay. May we know ba if you're single or in a relationship?
Single.
How long have you been single?
Maybe 6 years.
6 years and you're 25.
Yeah.
Wow. I could tell that you're still studying, right?
Yeah.
May we know what's your course?
BS Entrep.
And graduating?
Yeah. Graduating.
Advance in a good advance congratulations. Anyway, thank you so much, babe. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. It's okay. Hi everyone. Hopefully we earned your subscription, and also if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube and Patreon member. Thanks for watching and take care everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections are all I can see as I